Channel. Today, we're diving into a comparison of 3 top-rated vacuum cleaners: the Shark Apex with DuoClean, the Dyson V15 Detect, and the Miele Complete C3. We'll break down the pros and cons of each to help you decide which one might be the best fit for your cleaning needs. Section 1. Shark Apex with DuoClean. Let's start with the Shark Apex with DuoClean technology. This vacuum is known for its versatility and powerful cleaning capabilities. Pros. DuoClean technology. The dual brush roll system is designed to pick up both large debris and fine dust, making it effective on various surfaces, including carpets and hard floors. Self-cleaning brush roll. This feature prevents hair wrap, which is a significant advantage for pet owners. Lift-away feature. The detachable canister allows for easy cleaning of stairs and other hard-to-reach areas. Advanced anti-allergen complete seal. This technology traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum, which is great for allergy sufferers. Lightweight and maneuverable. Weighing about 14 pounds, it's easy to carry and navigate around furniture. Cons. Noise level. Some users report that it can be noisier than expected during operation. Bulkiness. While the vacuum is relatively lightweight, the design can feel bulky when maneuvering in tight spaces. Corded. As a corded vacuum, you're limited by the length of the power cord. Section 2. Dyson V15 Detect. Next up is the Dyson V15 Detect, a powerful cordless vacuum that leverages advanced technology for superior cleaning. Pros. Laser dust detection. The unique laser feature illuminates hidden dust on hard floors, ensuring you don't miss a spot. Powerful suction. With a high-torque cleaner head and intelligent sensor technology, it adapts to different floor types for optimized suction.